the caps of existence, surrounded by nature's wonders, and champions of our loved ones. Let us cherish the laughter, the cheers, the highs, the lows, for they shape us into who we are. Honorable Principal Sir, respected Senior Coordinator Sir, high-minded teachers, and all my dear friends, a very beautiful morning to one and all present over here. Today is the turn of Class 6th to present the assembly. So I, Veera Rathod, and I, Kamakshi Birla, on behalf of our class, we are here to lead the assembly. So let's start our assembly with thought. For that, I would like to call Dipanshi and Kratika. Today's thought is life is beautiful when we are happy, but it is more beautiful when the other people are happy because of us. So share happiness everywhere in the morning.
In the simple words, we can say that if we are happy, so life becomes beautiful. But if we make other people happy, so life becomes more beautiful.
Wow, what a beautiful thought it was. Now this is time to enrich our language with power words. For that, I would like to call Darshika and Adya. My first power word is remarkable. Its meaning is perfect. Sentence. She achieved a remarkable result. My second power word is mind-blowing. Its meaning is extremely impressive. Sentence. His display on the guitar was just mind-blowing. My third power word is stunning. Its meaning is surprising. Sentence. She looked stunning in that red dress. My fourth power word is documentary. Its meaning is a short video or a short film or video. Sentence. Swikati Solanki and her group presented a good documentary on River Narmada. Wow, what a beautiful thought it was. Veera, did you see today's news headlines? No, Kamakshi, I did not see. No problem. I call my friends for updating us about today's news headlines. Yes, of course. So I would like to call Atha Shukesh and Dishani Patel for updating us.
Good morning, everyone. Today's news headlines are international news. Where ICA expansion banned due to China, Russia to focus on it next week. National news. India and China to hold major general level talks on confidence building steps.
Sports news. R. Prajnanand becomes R. Prajnanand becomes India's 83rd Grandmaster at beer tournament. School news. Hindi debate will take place on 24th October. Thanks. Thank you, Atharva and Dishani Patel for updating us. Now this is time for a special item. For that, I would like to call Nivi Bagwan and her team. So today we are going to present a skit over here. So please lend your ears and watch it patiently because we brought something special. So let's start. A cricket player with small bat without shoes but passionate towards cricket. He does the practice and does the hard work. But his survival is quite difficult because he belongs to a poor family. He is sent Mumbai by his father to his uncle's house. Dear son, you go to Mumbai where your uncle lives and do the practice there for your better future. Okay, I will do tomorrow. But his uncle's condition is not also good. So let's see what uncle says.
Dear child, you know my condition. I cannot take you with me because I came here to live with you only. You can go with my friend's shop and you can also live there. Okay. He is my nephew. Please give job to him. Okay.
But he was unable to give time to dairy shop. So let's see what owner of the shop says.
Now I cannot allow you every day to go for practice because I give you salary but you will not give me enough time over here, so you take your things from here and go.
Then he meets a coach at Azad Maidan, Mumbai. So let's see what coach says.
Coach, my name is Yashashvi. I want to be a cricket player. Coach, my name is Yashashvi. I want to be a cricket player. Please allow me to do practice here. Dear child, I cannot allow you directly to come and practice here. You need to go to trial first. If you do expected, you will be allowed. Okay. Yeah, good. You can play here. You can practice here. May you help me? What I help you? May you allow me to live here? This is a big ground. Where do you live here? I prepare a tent and I will also live in it. Okay, you can live.
But his struggle did not stop. So let's see what struggle he faces. He used to face problems in rainy season because water he used to reach his tent. And for his survival, he sold pani puri also.
He struggled a lot, but he did not lose his confidence and his patience towards his goal, and he continued his practice. After this, he placed 2020 Under-19 World Cup, and because of his memorable performance, India got victory in that World Cup. And in IPL auction, he was retained by Rajasthan Royals on good amount. And in his first international match, he made 171 runs, and he became a great Indian cricket player. Before few years, his survival was difficult, but now we can see he has become a celebrity and people are taking his autograph. We can say his struggle, difficulties and success in our lives is the glory and beauty of our life. That is why life is beautiful. Moral of the story is struggle and failure are the part of our life, and these make us strong to achieve our goals. So if we face any difficulty in our life, so we should fight with the difficulties and problems and need to move ahead to achieve our goal. And so this is the beauty of our life.
Now this is time to wind up the tally. So at last we want to tell that it is our duty.
It is our right to make our life beautiful.
But it is our duty.
To make others' life beautiful.
Life is
Life is
life is
beautiful.